Your engine mounts have a big job. They support the weight of the engine and keep it securely attached to the chassis. Let's review some common symptoms of worn-out engine mounts and how to diagnose and fix the problem on your own. The most common causes of engine mount failure include wear and tear due to age, hidden damage from an accident or collision, exposure to corrosive fluids such as coolants or oils, erratic driving or hard braking that can lead to excessive engine movement, breakdown of the metals or rubbers due to extremely hot, cold, or salty environments, and modified suspensions that stiffen or put extra strain on engine mounts. It's best to identify engine mount failure before it becomes a bigger issue. Watch for signs like excessive noise and vibration. Engine mounts absorb vibration, so if you feel more movement when driving, you may need new mounts. You may also notice rough shifting throughout acceleration. Thoroughly check your engine bay for damage caused by engine movement. When you're ready to test your mounts, conducting an engine movement test is simple. Park on a flat surface, open the hood and engage your parking brake. Start the engine and shift into drive. Observe the engine movement while pressing the gas pedal. Small movements are normal, but large movements or lunging indicates a problem. Engine mount replacement is something you can do yourself with the right tools and a little know-how. The typical cost for OEM Toyota engine mounts is only a few $100s, and replacement can be done in a few hours' time. Follow the link in the description below for more information on Toyota engine mounts from Olathe Toyota Parts Center.